Holistic and alternative medicine has become very popular among humans, but what about for our furry friends? We always treat our pets like family, but now we have the option to medically treat them the same way we treat our own bodies. Here at Newport Mesa Animal Hospital in Costa Mesa, Dr. Amanda Aldridge practices holistic and integrative medicine on pets with many different ailments and even some without. She explained how and what approaches she uses on pets.
Acupuncture has been around for thousands of years. Really started with not knowing how the body worked, but figuring out you can access healing through different points on the body. And so it's evolved into knowing what the points are, where they are, what they do, how it actually affects the body physiologically. We can study all that, but there's such a art to it as well. It's energy work. It's trying to restore your body's energy to be as normal as possible. And for the animals, it's been around for thousands of years for them too. Becoming more popular in America by far. Certainly in the Asian countries, they've been doing it on their animals for just as long as the people. But it's newer for us. And it is so wonderful to give them another tool to help actually heal the body instead of just treating symptoms. Certainly it has its place with taking medications, but a lot of them respond so much better to letting their bodies heal themselves.
Not sure if acupuncture is right for your pet? Well, Dr. Aldridge explains who is a good candidate to help you decide.
Usually older, geriatric dog or cat that's just slowed down, arthritis, achy, more for pain management, which is kind of goes along. Most people, I think, seek it out for pain management, but it's good for any kind of chronic disease, chronic inflammation. So I have patients that are epileptics and have skin allergies, and one's a diabetic. I mean, it doesn't have to just be pain management. It's just make your body better. And the goal for all of those is so they can have better control of their problems. Some we can reduce their medications.
So the big question, is prescription medication better at treating, or is acupuncture the best alternative?
I'm actually seeing more that feel worse taking prescription medication. They'll have diarrhea, upset stomach, they're lethargic, they have low energy, and keeping them off the drugs and doing supplements and acupuncture, they just feel really good.
And Stephanie Chapman, who brings her pet to Dr. Aldridge at Newport Mesa, would agree.
I think that acupuncture is a much better solution than medication, just because our older dog is already on medication. She's on prednisone and some other things, and I don't want to add additional medications to her lifestyle. We don't want to shorten her life, we want to prolong it, and I think that this is a holistic way that we can possibly do that.
So the next time you take your pet to the veterinarian, ask to find out if a holistic approach is right for treating your furry friend to keep them happy and healthy. I'm Danielle Cushman for Fullerton News.